Welcome back, YouTube, to another box break at D&P Sportscards. We're going with some Topps Finest Football today. We're going to see what we get out of a box. We're looking for 2 mini boxes with 6 packs each, and each pack is going to have 5 cards.
And you're supposed to get 1 dual relic and 1 rookie patch per box.
Per master box.
Per master box. This. So, some of the base cards. Here's a CJ Spiller rookie card. Des Bryant rookie.
Get your fingers off the top.
And then Finest Moment, Aurelia Spin.
Okay.
None thing was numbered. No refractors yet. Here's a Relic Band refracted card.
Dual thing.
Not numbered.
There you go.
It's still a refractor.
Yep. So I noticed that the Atomic Refractors regulars were numbered at a $3.99.
Okay.
And that the die-cut rookie Atomic Refractors weren't numbered for whatever reason.
Okay, and I got my Atomic Rookie Refractor of Jermaine Gresham. It's one of the unnumbered types.
Pretty cool looking. Okay.
I got a black refractor of Mark Sanchez, number 299.
Oh, those are sharp.
So I think you get 1 black refractor per master box or something like that, I've read. Another refractor of Thomas Jones.
Regular, non-numbered.
Yep, had a nice game this week, I believe.
So is there a rookie version of a regular card refractor?
Yes, I've seen a rookie refractor before. That was that Aurelia Band, if that's what you were asking.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So that is one. Gotcha.
So there's a thick card in this pack.
So this is pack 6 out of the mini box.
Last pack.
Okay.
And it is a Brendan LaFell auto rookie patch.
Ooh, nice patch.
Number 350.
Okay.
3rd rounder. And then I got I guess a refractor, Atomic Refractor. I'm not sure what they're called anymore. Of TJ Houshmandzadeh out of $3.99.
Those used to be called X-Fractors, I think.
That's right.
Yeah.
But
which is he? Did he ever get re-signed by anybody?
You know, I think he's still available. So ideally, I should get a dual relic autograph in this mini box per what the box says. Jermaine Gresham, Finest Moment.
Okay.
So it looks like you get a Finest Moment per mini box so far. A regular Tim Tebow rookie card. And then a Jason Witten refractor.
Okay.
Then a Sue Finest Rookie Atomic Refractor, not numbered. So I guess get one of those per mini box. guess what you would call a Super-Fractor, Patrick Willis out of 399.
X-Fractor.
X-Fractor, sorry. Super-Fractors are 101.
Yeah. But even those are not, like I saw 2 Tebow Super-Fractors on eBay already.
Oh, okay.
One was vertical and one was horizontal.
And the regular refractor Gates.
Okay.
Gates.
Last pack.
Last pack now.
Hot pack.
There's definitely a thick card in here. And it is a Mike Kafka dual relic auto out of 250.
Okay.
And then another X-Fractor of Vince Young out of 399.
All right, there you have it. 12 packs, 2 mini boxes of Topps Finest Football 2010. Thanks for watching.